Tap, 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 tap. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, and I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks to start to master and be super proficient using your iPhone or iPhone 3G. One of the first things is knowing how to tap properly. Here we have a web page of Expert Village set straight up here, and now we get to see it in its full layout, but we want to get closer. So let's say I wanted to see this over here. Well, all I do is sort of tap on Lance Armstrong's face there, and it's going to bring that section fully into play. Now, let's say I'm done with Lance. Bye-bye. Tap him again, back to normal. But now I want to read this text here. Simply tap it, and we get zoomed right in. Well, that's a little tight for me, so all I'm going to do is zoom around, and then I can decide to pinch, make it exactly how I want it, or go down here to flicking between the two web pages, bring this one back up again by tapping on it. Tap it again, it's going to go back. Tap it again, it's going to go back to full size. A quick way of doing it. Now I'll show you something else that's kind of neat here. If you're entering in something, like on your notepad here, I'm going to go, good day. I'm going to just put good here for the period of time, and now instead of hitting space and period, I'm going to double click the space bar, and what it's done here is it's put in the period, it's moved it over, and it's prepared to capitalize the next letter. That is a huge time saver. Whoops, delete that over there. Good day, you can see it up here also. So again, double clicking your space bar puts in a period, advances it one space, and brings it up. Another great trick to use is down here on the home key. If I double click that, schwank, it'll bring up my favorites on my phone list. Because a lot of times you want to go ahead and just grab to that phone list, and 9 times out of 10, the people you want to call are on your favorites list. So instead of hitting one tap on the home key to bring you right here to your desktop, I'm going to double tap it, boom, bring it right to my favorites. These are time-saving gods. Few tricks to learn, to love, to know. Just like me, Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, tap you later or stream you later.